Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, July 26th, and this is my analysis of the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, I still personally think this is going to end up making its way up. I still think this is a wave A over here. I think this is a wave B. I think this needs to make an uptrend for most likely an expanding flat wave C. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still looking at this as 5 waves up. To me, this still looks like a nice, perfect ABC correction. If that right there is an ABC correction, I would definitely call it a 1, a 2, and I would say that we are very likely in a wave 3, which I still think this wave 3 will continue to make higher highs, higher lows on this weekly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely had a nice breaker structure to the downside this week. So I personally am definitely looking for sorts in a downtrend right now. I would kind of expect some sort of a three-way pattern. We do have interest rate next week for the US dollar, so I think that's probably more likely when this is going to end the correction and probably continue the uptrend. For now, I'm definitely looking for sorts in a downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. Ever since we had a nice clear breaker structure to the downside on the 4 hour time frame, I've been looking for pullback entries. To me, it looks like we already have 3 waves up right here, so I think there's a good chance this will make a lower high and probably end up going down. I would expect it to go down at least to the 50% and possibly even lower than that before we do get a bigger push to the upside. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, to me, it already looks like impulsive up. It looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down. It looks like impulsive up. Right to a Fibonacci retracement, 50% Fibonacci retracement of this last push down right here. From here to here actually. So I feel like it looks like it already made an ABC correction. So maybe it will come back up and try to retest these highs, but I think if anything it's probably more likely going to start making its way down for the continuation of this move down, which I still think is a correction to the uptrend, and I still think this is very likely a big wave 3 uptrend on like the weekly time frame. This is just a correction within that wave 3, like a subdivision of the wave 3. So I'm definitely still looking for sorts on these sort of time frames at the end of every pullback I see for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.